Ayan guys. Yan ang ating breakfast for today. Guys. Medyo tostado ng konti. Muntik nang nasunog guys. Yan lang. Yung bacon. Tama na yung bacon kasi mahirap naman pag sobra. Tipid-tipid. At saka bawal yan. Titikman ko lang kaya yan. Yan ang ating sunog na pancake. Oh guys. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye. Mwah.